Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this series where we are building an AI agent which will get our recorded video and create a good title and description out of it. That way we can upload it on YouTube. So yes, this is the first part of our first iteration where we are going to convert video to audio. Now, how we will do it? We will do it using FFmpeg. It is basically a multimedia manager open source project. So we will be using that for this purpose. Now, so let's get started. So for that, I have created one project named YT Helper. And if we go to YT Helper, then I have created three projects here. First thing is tester. Today, all the POC that we will be going to do is in the tester project itself. Next thing is video transcriber. It is basically a class DLL file or class package file which we will be using in the YT helper, and YT helper is our ultimate AI agent that will take the video and process it and create a title and description out of it. So that is what the thought behind this whole series is. But for now we will just be taking the video and converting it into the audio. Now, in order to convert from video to audio, the first and main thing that we will be needing is FFmpeg. But FFmpeg is quite complicated, so we will be using its .NET. Uh, Basically, some people have this cross-platform wrapper for XPMG. These people have created the wrapper on it so that it will be easy to use in the .NET environments. So first package that we will be needing is this one, which will provide us all the functions and helper methods to use the FFmpeg, and second package to we will be using is downloader. Otherwise, if we download it manually, then there are many questions of where to put it, and also we will just be keeping it simple and using the downloader. Next thing that we want to use is JSON system.txt. Okay, let's go ahead. If we need that, we will install it. So now after FFmpeg, the first thing that we want needing is a file path, video file path, where our video is stored, and I have already copied it. I will just paste it here in a moment. So this is the file path, and we want to transcribe it. So let's create a method which will accept a path in return of the output audio path, and as the name of the function should be video to audio converter, and it takes video file path as an argument. Let's create this method. After that, now we have video, we have FFmpeg, but it is not downloaded. We just have package of it. So in order to download the FFmpeg exe or application, we will be using FFmpeg downloader. So for that, we will be needing to await FFmpeg downloader dot get latest version, and we will be using FFmpeg version dot official. We will not be providing video file path here. Next thing that we will be need to do is we will have to get that video file into our code. So for that, we will be using FFmpeg, and basically it will create a media info object from FFmpeg. So media info is equal to await FFmpeg dot get media info, and we have to provide input file path here. So this is where our file path will go. Okay, what is the name of file path? Video file path. Okay, so that's it. Now as we have our video, then we have to convert it into audio stream. So we will be needing audio stream, Let's use this variable name, looks good. And media info dot audio streams dot, as it provide multiple, so we will be using first or default. And I think this should be it, as now we have audio stream, so we have to now convert it into an audio file. So for that we will be needing a converter, so I will be creating a conversion object. So I conversion and convert. Okay, and we will be using FFmpeg dot conversions dot new. The next thing that we want to do with is it provide it a audio stream, so we will add stream of audio here. And before closing it, we need to provide it a output file path, so set output, and it takes a parameter. So let's create an output file path first so that we can return it also. So string output, sorry, output file path is equal to path dot join, and the path we will be using is where our build is going to live, so we will store it at the same path. So app context, right, dot base directory, and we will be appending it with another path where we will be, the basically the file name should be same as the of our video file. It's just that we will change its extension to mp3. So now let's provide it a string. So for that we will be need to use the path method dot get file name without extension. I don't want the extension. Yeah, this would get file name without extension, and video file path name dot mp3, and that's probably it. So we have output file path, we will be using that output file path in the conversion here. And the next thing that we want to do is return that output file path, but before we have to create a output file out of it. So we have to start the conversion here, gen.start, and let's get started. Just a moment, what is it saying? Okay, so it is basically an async operation, so we have to await it before we exit our application. And now what it is saying, static async. Okay, okay, string. Oh wait, I think that's it. It should work now. Let's test it now. If I run this, okay, it has thrown some exception. System.text.json. For some reason, it is requiring this package and we don't have it. So let's install that here. It's not copied. Right. Let's install the stable one. It installed? Yeah, it is. If I go to now program.cs and run it again, it may take some time to run for the first time, as it will basically install the FFmpeg, because if we go to the build folder here, tester bin folder I was saying, and debug, then .NET 8. So it is creating all those files right now. So as you can see, there is no FFmpeg application file. Okay, so now it has installed it and it is creating these files and all out of it. Okay, so now as we can see, mp3 file is created here and our code should also be exited now. It has, okay, I think it is converting the file. Okay, so test hello is basically our last log. So it has converted it successfully and the code is complete. So now let's first go into video and see what our video was. So if I go to code and copy this file path and open a video here. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is third video of this playlist where we are implementing RAG using semantic kernel. Right. So why it is, so this is the video that we have given it to transcribe, and let's listen its audio now, which is created in the bin folder. This one. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is third video of this playlist where we are implementing RAG using semantic kernel. So why it is third video? Because we are changing, and that's it. So we have successfully converted video to audio and completed the first part of our series or the first iteration. So thank you for viewing this video, and for the further parts please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.